and welcome to today's edition of Daily Market Rundown, where we break down the key financial developments shaping the stock market and the global economy. In today's session, we'll be exploring Bharti Airtel's strategic collaboration with SpaceX Starlink, LIC ongoing challenges in the insurance sector, TCS latest real estate investment, and Zydus Lifesciences ambitious foray into the medtech space. Let's jump right in. First up, in a move that could revolutionize India's internet landscape, Bharti Airtel has joined hands with SpaceX Starlink to introduce satellite-based internet services in the country. This partnership aims to bridge the digital divide, bringing high-speed connectivity to remote and underserved regions where the traditional broadband services are unreliable. Starlink, which is a division of Elon Musk's SpaceX operating through a network of low Earth orbit satellites, will provide seamless internet coverage even in the mountainous and rural terrains, and Airtel will play a crucial role in distributing Starlink services and integrating them with its existing infrastructure, particularly benefiting schools, hospitals, and community centers. However, this project still awaits some regulatory approvals from the Indian government, including the clearance from the Department of Telecommunications and from the Ministry of Home Affairs. If approvals come through, Airtel will go head-to-head with Reliance Jio, which is also working on satellite internet. Meanwhile, India's life insurance sector witnessed a significant slowdown in February 2025, with the new business premium dropping by 11.6%. The biggest blow came to LIC, whose premium collections declined by a staggering 22% year-on-year, and even the number of policies issued saw a drop, going from 17 lakh to 12 lakh, reflecting weaker demand. However, LIC did manage to see some growth in its individual single premium segment, which rose by 19% year-on-year, but the bad news outweighed the good one as the individual non-single premium dropped 20% for the month. Interestingly, while LIC struggled, some private insurers managed to stay resilient. HDFC Life recorded 14% increase in premium collection, while ICICI Prudential Life posted impressive 26% growth. However, SBI Life faced a dip of around 6.4%. This slowdown is caused by various reasons, like high interest rates, changing investment trends, and weaker policy demand. Moving to IT sector, TCS is making big moves to expand its operational capacity. The IT giant has acquired Darshita Southern India Happy Homes for rupees 2,250 crores, securing land and buildings to strengthen its delivery center infrastructure. So what's interesting about this deal? Interestingly, this property is still under development and the company hasn't generated revenue in the last 3 years. So TCS has a call option to buy the remaining equity in Darshita after 2 years if they want to. This acquisition is a part of broader strategy. In January 2025, TCS has also acquired 2 subsidiaries of Tata Realty to develop delivery centers, signaling that clearly the IT giant is focusing on owning real estate instead of leasing it. These aggressive moves by TCS are obviously backed by strong financials. The company recently reported a net profit of rupees 12,444 crores for Q3 FY25, marking 12.13% year-on-year growth. Revenue rose to rupees 65,216, up by 6.1% year-on-year, and the company also declared a special dividend of rupees 66 per share, reinforcing its commitment to delivering shareholder value. Turning to healthcare space, Indian pharma giant Zydus Lifesciences is making a big leap into the global medtech sector. The company is in exclusive talks to acquire an 85.6% stake in the French orthopedic specialist Amplitude Surgical for about $280 million. Amplitude Surgical is a leading European player in lower limb orthopedic technologies, specializing in knee and hip prostheses, reporting sales of around 106 million euros and an EBITDA of 27 million euros as of June 2024. The deal represents a massive 80.6% premium over Amplitude's last closing price, signaling Zydus' aggressive push into the medical technology space. According to Managing Director Dr. Shaval Patel, this acquisition aligns with company's long-term vision of integrating science, health, and innovation. However, the deal is still subject to some regulatory approvals in France, including the review by the French Minister of Economy. If finalized, this could be a major milestone in Zydus' global expansion. That's it for today's daily market rundown. From Airtel big bet on satellite internet to Zaidu's medtech expansion, the financial world is buzzing with action. Stay tuned for more updates and don't forget to hit that follow button for your daily dose of market insights.